Hello everyone, this is Teacher J. Excel in PSLE Math question number 98. A total number of motorcycles and cars in the company car park is 300. 总共在一个公司的停车场里边有300辆摩托车和小轿车。摩托车应该是有2个轮子，小轿车是有4个轮子。OK, and there is a total of 938 wheels. 总共有938个轮子。How many cars are there in the car park? Alright, 我们的a motorcycle has 2 wheels, while a car usually has 4 in this question. And let's say I am a bad boy, assuming that I'm a bad boy, and then every once in a while I will puncture one tire on every vehicle. There are 300 vehicles, so I will puncture one tire on every vehicle in the car park, then for every one time. Alright, so after 2 times, these 300 vehicles, that means a total of 600 tires will puncture by me. 所以说我一次呢，假设我是一个坏孩子，我每一次呢，我过去我会把他们300辆车的每一辆车的一个轮子会把它给放了气，把它扎爆了。那么我去了2次以后会什么情况呢？ A total of 600 tires will puncture by me. Will punctured by me. 也就是600个轮子，也就是每个车呢会有2个轮子会被我扎爆了。In fact, all the motorcycles had bad tires. So at this time, 在这个时候，我们的停车场里边的摩托车2个轮子嘛，因为我去了2次嘛，我是一个坏孩子嘛，我去了2次，它的所有的轮子全部都被我扎爆了。And for each car, there will be 2 intact tires left each. OK? 也就是说，我们的轿车还剩2个轮子。So the number of cars is, let's take a look. At first, we got 938 tires, and after 2 times 300 times 2, that means 600 tires are punctured by me. Alright, okay? And the remaining number of tires that are in good condition, 338. And for each car, there will be only 2 intact tires, because 2 of the 4 are punctured by me, so remaining 2 are still in good condition. So we use 338 divided by 2. So that is the number of cars, which is 338 divided by 2, 169. 169 cars. And that is the way we solve this kind of question called 鸡兔同笼。鸡兔同笼。Okay, that is one method to solve this kind of question. Alright, and that is all for this story. And thanks for watching my video. This is Teacher J. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.